Hey food lovers! Welcome back to another episode of Flavors of the World, where we travel the globe one dish at a time. Today, we're diving into the heart of Africa to explore 7 countries with some of the most unique and mouth-watering cuisines you'll ever taste. So grab your forks and let's get started. First stop, Ethiopia. Known as the land of origins, Ethiopia boasts a cuisine as rich as its history. Let's talk about 2 iconic dishes. This here is Doro, a spicy chicken stew that's packed with flavor from Berbera spice and Niter kibi, that's spiced clarified butter. And of course, you've got to eat it with injera, a soft, tangy flatbread that's perfect for scooping. Next, we've got kitfo. Think of it as Ethiopia's take on steak tartare. It's minced raw beef mixed with spices and butter, often paired with a mild cheese called ayib. Delicious and bold. Next, we head to North Africa and the culinary paradise of Morocco. The flavors here are as vibrant as the landscapes. Here's Tagine, a slow-cooked stew made with lamb, veggies, dried fruits, and spices. It's cooked in this special clay pot that shares its name. Aromatic and comforting. And here's pastilla. It's a flaky pie that combines savory spiced meat with the sweetness of powdered sugar and cinnamon. It's like nothing you've ever tasted. We now head to South Africa. South Africa's cuisine is all about bold flavors and hearty meals. Let's dig into 2 classics. This is bunny chow. Don't worry, no bunnies here. It's a hollowed-out loaf of bread filled with spicy curry. Perfect street food for any occasion. And this is bobo tie. Think of it as a spiced minced meat pie topped with creamy egg custard. A true comfort dish that pairs beautifully with yellow rice. Now, we're in Nigeria, home to some of the most flavorful dishes in West Africa. First up, jollof rice. This one-pot wonder is made with rice, tomatoes, peppers, and spices. It's a party favorite across the continent. And here's Egusi soup. It's made with ground melon seeds, leafy greens, and a variety of meats. Serve it with pounded yam or fufu for the full experience. From Nigeria, we move to Senegal, where the cuisine is as warm and welcoming as its people. This is thiebedian, the national dish of Senegal. It's a hearty mix of fish, rice, and vegetables cooked in a tomato-based sauce. And this is yassa poulet, grilled chicken marinated in a tangy sauce of onions, lemon, and mustard. It's finger-licking good. Ghana is next on our list, and its dishes are bursting with flavor. Wache is a rice and bean dish cooked with dried millet leaves. Add fried plantains, boiled eggs, and a spicy sauce called shito, and you've got a meal fit for a king. Then there's Banku and tilapia. The fermented corn dough pairs perfectly with grilled fish and spicy pepper sauce. A must-try. Finally, we're in Kenya, where simplicity meets bold flavors. This is Nyama Choma, which means grilled meat. It's often goat or beef, seasoned simply with salt and paired with kachumbari, a fresh tomato and onion salad. And here's ugali with sukuma wiki. This maize flour porridge is a staple, served with collard greens. Simple, hearty, and delicious. And there you have it. 7 African countries, 14 incredible dishes, and endless inspiration for your next culinary adventure. Which dish are you dying to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more foodie travels. Until next time, keep exploring and keep eating.